Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Sta Green Plant Food. This versatile plant food provides essential nutrients to help your garden flourish, promoting vigorous growth and vibrant blooms. Whether you are tending to flowers, vegetables, or shrubs, Sta Green offers a balanced formula. Always remember to carefully read the product label before application for the best results and plant safety. Following these instructions ensures your plants receive exactly what they need. Deciding between granular and liquid Sta Green depends on your specific needs. Granular formulas provide a steady, long-lasting nutrient supply, great for larger areas. Simply broadcast them evenly and then water thoroughly to help the nutrients penetrate the soil. Liquid concentrates, on the other hand, offer a rapid uptake of nutrients, which is excellent for a quick boost or for container plants. Mix 1/4 cup of concentrate with 1 gallon of water for most applications. Timing your feeding is crucial for optimal results. Begin application in early spring when new growth emerges, continuing through summer. For outdoor plants, a general guideline is to reapply every 4 weeks. Potted plants often need more frequent feeding, perhaps every 2 weeks, due to nutrient leaching. Measure accurately using the scoop provided or by weight. For example, use 2 pounds per 100 square feet for a lawn. Over-fertilizing can harm your plants, so always follow the label's recommendations precisely. Beyond just applying the plant food, several practices ensure your garden thrives. Always water your plants thoroughly after feeding, helping nutrients reach the root zone effectively. Preventing over-fertilization is key. More is not always better and can lead to yellowing leaves or wilting. Store any unused product securely in its original packaging, away from children and pets. By integrating Sta Green Plant Food with other good gardening habits, you will cultivate a beautiful and resilient garden space.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.